Hi there, friends. This is Shozy. I'm going to give you a really super quick tour under 3 minutes. All right, so here's the door. Here's Irene. Yes, she is painted. She's not finished. She has on one of my wigs, but I brought her in finally and painted her. I've been painting stuff in the yard all day. So yes, I hand painted all of this. And the only thing I have to do in this room is wash the curtains and hang them back up again. And I just... It was a lot of work. It took all week. I painted that little piece right there that has all my overflow makeup for cosplay and stuff like that in there. And kind of compartmentalized all this stuff over here. Hey, right there. So I don't have any makeup on today, so I don't really want to show me. Okay. So anyway, I didn't do the shower because I just ran out of steam, basically. That's what happened. But that's okay. I have paint. I can do it later. And I put some pink around the clouds because I think clouds should be pink and floofy too. And I painted these two items. This was from the other bathroom, this table, and this was from outside. It was an old sign holder that Bear made years ago. I had two of them. And I painted those and brought them in just so I'd have this, it would make it look a little bit nicer. And the painting's been in here for a long time. It's a batik painting that was given to me years ago. And then I painted the wood so I could hang the towel rack up. I've had that towel rack forever and ever, and I've always loved it and never done anything with it. So I just have to go back and touch up where I, screwed in the screws. I just have to touch those up so they're not so obvious. And that's pretty much it. And I painted the ladder. It was black and I repainted it so it wasn't so weird and obvious in here. And that candle smells really super good. But it took me like a whole week to get this done. Only because I hand painted everything, brushed it instead of rolling it, because I just did not want to have the speckles all over the place that I had to clean up. It was a cleanup mess as it was, but anyway. Okay, thanks for watching and take care, and thanks for being here, and thanks for listening to my issues with the person who said that I was a hoarder and all kinds of things. Yes, I have a lot of stuff, but I give a lot of stuff away. I donate things, I sell things, and they're just really cruel and evil. So, all right, take care, you guys. Bye. Oh, and no, Irene is not going to stay in my bathroom. I just put her in here for temporarily until I can find her a new place, probably in my secret doll room. All right, thanks. Take care. I'm not finished working on her. That's what's going on because I have to, do some detail work on her. All right, take care. Bye-bye.